Okay, we're unboxing again.
Yes, it's the perfect antidote to having suffered through yet another season-ruining Notre Dame loss every year.
Season
So,
ruining?
well, it's like that's the end of the season. That's it.
Oh.
It doesn't matter now. We won't make the playoffs having lost to a high school team.
Oh,
But alas,
here we are,
here we are with something to sniff.
comforting ourselves with
Yes.
perfume.
So, you know what this is. I
I
don't
do.
remember what this is. This is the one addressed to you. The tiny one is addressed to you. It's
Yeah.
just the one thing?
Yeah, well, there should be a sample on there,
Okay.
probably.
This is from your favorite house, which is now called Source, Sorce,
Yeah.
which I think is not nearly as interesting as their old name, Sorcellarie Apothecary,
Yes.
but because nobody knows what source means.
Right.
It's not like source is like, oh, obviously that's short for sorcellery.
Right.
Anyway,
What's
I
the
digress.
sample?
I'm not in charge. The sample is Cabanilla.
Oh, yeah, I have that one already.
Oh, do you?
Cabanilla, it's a coconut fragrance.
Salted vanilla, sand, brown sugar, palm fronds, coconut, Peru balsam, and beach bonfire.
It's a really nice coconut frag.
That is nice.
I love that
I
one.
mean, I have the same response to literally everything of theirs I smell.
Yeah, they're all good.
They're all good, and they all smell great on you. And yeah, I think I feel like they're starting to get a little better known.
A little bit, yeah. But
I see people
what
talking
I
about them.
ordered is
Oh, this
her
is
brand new
yes,
release, which she called English Major.
which you're super. I'm actually just as excited about
Yeah,
this as
you
you.
gotta read the notes.
Sure. So
Can you see them? They might be on the
they're
bottle.
not on here. Yes,
I love that she made a little box for it.
that is cute. And so this is a standard size for them, yeah?
This is
Like
a
15 ml.
This is a 15 ml, and she goes up to 100 ml.
Oh, she does. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was maybe just like 15 and 30 or 50 or something like that. So the notes are marshmallow, library books, orris absolute, decalpus absolute. I'm not familiar with what that is. Carrot seed. That's a great note. Sandalwood and fallen leaves. What a great
Yeah.
what a great note listing.
I know.
Do you want a sniffer or do you want to go straight on your skin?
Straight on my skin.
You're wearing anything on this?
Nope. Well, actually, I'm wearing Fairy Queen's Revenge, but this will be
So
fine.
another sorcellarie. So this is on the hand.
Yeah.
You're giving me first sniff.
Yeah.
That's so sweet of you.
Oh, it smells amazing. I can smell that. That's good.
That's really good, actually. Wow. All of their stuff is like soft, round, fluffy, pleasant.
It's a nice. I'm not even a marshmallow fan.
Oh,
But this one is a really nice marshmallow.
that's a great book note. I mean, other
It is.
other
It really does
isn't that
smell like
good?
a book.
Yeah, other some ones that I can think of. Diptyque does one called
Eau de papier or something
yeah.
like that.
that has like a papyrus note in it,
Yeah.
and Darren Allen does one called Vintage Novel.
Which I love,
Yes,
and
which
you've given to
I
me.
thought I was getting for me, but it's definitely more for you.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It is amazing.
Because it's like a rose paper.
Let me smell your hand again.
Oh,
I know the light and all that, but oh, that's really pleasant. That's just such a really warm, comforting, yummy scent. I mean, it really makes me want to sit in a bookshop drinking coffee.
English Major by
Yeah.
Sorcellarie Apothecary.
It's not super strong.
It's super nice.
That was what did I do? 2 sprays on there. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how long this lasts and what kind
It
of.
will be. Some of her stuff doesn't last so long. The Fairy Queen's Revenge that I have on right now lasts all day long. There's
Does
a
it?
lot of projection. I walked into my hair salon today, and she's
Yeah.
like, "You smell amazing. What are you wearing?"
And it had been at least 6 hours.
Yeah. I mean, I sprayed
Yeah.
at probably
Like
8:30.
8:30, yeah.
Yep. And that was at
Before
3.
you went into work.
So,
Well, that's another win for that house.
win for Sorcellarie Apothecary. Good job, Caitlin. Caitlin's the perfumer. So what we got here? What even is this? What do you think it is?
Well, I know that. So this is from one of my fragrance buddies. She is a super frag head, like probably more than me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm not going to out her by saying her name. But yeah, she has a incredible collection. Okay, well, this is why. She sent full presentations.
Oh, wow, okay.
So I've been doing a
I
lot
wondered
of...
why it was in such a big
Yeah,
box.
and it is. I knew it was 2 bottles, and I knew she was going to send me some samples.
Damn, she sent you a lot of samples.
Damn, she did send me a lot of samples.
Are
She's-
any of these things for me? I want to know if I should get excited.
Well, I think you should probably get excited because
Okay.
she's a she, and she does like primarily more masculine scented stuff. But I know she's also a big vintage gal.
Okay.
So there's probably... Let's look at the samples first. See what's in here.
Wow, look at this.
Should we get some spritzers?
We might need to get some spritzers.